Yes. So, when we are doing the structure of virus, we have there is a difference between few viruses in their structure. Not every virus is of same structure. As all of you know that a virus is composed of outer protein coat called capsid, and within the capsid we see nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. This is something which all of you visualize virus as. So I have an outer coat which is protein, and I have a nucleic acid inside. We are calling the protein coat as capsid and nucleic acid as genetic material. As simple as that. So we all visualize virus to be like this, isn't it? Now, together we call it as nucleocapsid. Nucleo for nucleic acid, capsid for the protein coat. But this slide says in some animal viruses, a sheath of protein envelope is also present. So, in some animal viruses, that means this envelope is not seen in every virus. Not a character in every virus. There are only few animal viruses. So if I have an envelope, that will be outside the capsid. So outer to inside, if there is an envelope, I come across envelope, then followed by capsid, then followed by genetic material. So generally, to clear the confusion between the envelope and capsid, I thought I would show you a differences between both of them. As you can see, the differences between capsid and envelope. A capsid is a protein shell that protects genetic material of virus. An envelope is an outer structure in some viruses. Please note down, this is not a default structure, and if present, it is present outside capsid. Correct? So first I come across envelope, then I come across protein coat, then I come across nucleic acid. It is made up of proteins, and this is made up of proteins and also phospholipids. So proteins and lipids, there are two types of chemical biomolecules forming the envelope, whereas capsid is made up of only proteins. So the units with which the capsid is made is called as capsomeres. The units with which envelope is made is called as peplomeres. The differences does not show this point, so I thought I will highlight this. The structures with which a capsid is made is capsomeres. The structures with which the envelope is made is called as peplomeres. And capsid encloses genetic material, and envelope encloses capsid. Present in all viruses, present in some viruses. Protects the genetic material of the virus, because I have nucleic acid, which is genetic material, which can be DNA, which can be RNA. and I have a capsid protecting the genetic material. And whereas if there is an envelope allows the virus to invade the host cell by fusing with the host cell membrane. So the envelope will attach to the host cell membrane, and the virus with the protein coat will enter into the host cell, like how we have seen in case of HIV virus entry. HIV virus is definitely an animal virus. Human is a sane animal and it has got an envelope. Envelope is a character of animal viruses. Am I clear? Yes.